Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's recap and talk about what we're going to do moving forward. Very typical day. Today, very much in tune with the first 4 days of this week, election week. Volume has been down substantially pretty much all week, so let me just blow up this daily chart, and it's kind of going to be a recap almost from yesterday's video, but I kind of want to hit on it and continue to talk about what we hit on yesterday in our video, and just basically confirm what we're doing. Bottom line on the indexes, we are pushing higher. Yesterday we talked about watching the previous day's highs and looking to either go with or see if this market's wanting to pull back. So here on the S&P, we had the previous day's high. We watched so close all day, and early on we had a nice pop above the previous day's highs, and then it decided to sell off, and then all of a sudden we got some buyers back in here, and then we've been just slowly, and I expressed that heavily, slowly grinding our way to the upside here ever since this morning's session. So it's been very, very low volume, very tough for trading. Actually, we did not trade much of the stock index futures this week at all in the trading room. We had one Russell trade earlier in the week, one on Tuesday, and then a couple ESs today, and that's it, which is very light for us. We traded a lot of crude oil. Crude oil actually moved pretty well this week intraday, but it's been a very slow week here trading the indexes simply because the volume is just not there. So basically going into tomorrow, I will continue to watch them previous day's highs. If we continue to push above the previous day's highs, I'm going to go with it. If intraday we start to see these pullbacks on a 5 and 15 minute chart, I will trade a pullback back towards this 21 EMA on the daily chart. So going into tomorrow, I'm going to watch today's highs. If we trade above it, I'll look to go long. Anything intraday on a 5 and 15 minute chart that shows signs of a pullback, I'll look for a pullback to this rise in 21 EMA here on the daily charts. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you here on the Russell. Same type of deal. Watch that previous day's high. Pushes above it tomorrow. We'll start to go long. If not, look to see if we can retrace, revert back to the mean here of this rise in 21 period moving average. Going on to the crude here. Crude oil. Much of the same, but the opposite. So I am looking for a little bit of a retracement here. So intraday, I am looking for a possibility of a pop here. But today was a little bit of a tough trading day. It was an inside day, meaning that if you mark up the previous day's highs and lows, we never ever went outside of the previous day's highs or low. So that makes for a very tough trading environment. You see right now we're trading right dead in the middle. So coming into tomorrow, I'm going to be looking to see if we want to revert back up to this 21 EMA on the daily here. So see if we can push up above basically yesterday's highs and get back up towards that 21, or is the overall trend going to continue and we start to push down below yesterday's lows? So looking for a break here, guys. Get out of this trading range we've been inside here for 2 days here. Let's get a break out of that range. I don't really care which way, because either way that it breaks, we got a little room to trade here, especially being day traders. We got plenty of room for them things to trade up towards them levels, and then if it goes to the short side, we got plenty of room there as well. Wanted to hit on the euro just a little bit yesterday. I touched base here on the euro, and I talked about being with the momentum here to the downside and waiting for a break down below this swing low here. Today we got that, and we got that pretty seriously. We had a nice hard drop to the downside, and then it really consolidated early on, and then ever since it's been leaking its way back to the downside. More of that tomorrow. We'll mark up that previous day's lows. If we can trade below there, I will be looking for shorting opportunities tomorrow on the euro. So hope this helps, guys. It's a little bit of a shorter video today. It's more of a recap because the volume is just so light. So if you guys have any questions about any of this, you can go ahead and email me, Adam@DirectionTrader.com. If not, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.